Hi guys, so today I'll be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm Deluxe. Sorry that light's not that great right now. Anyways, well I got my box and I'm very excited because this is the first time that I've gotten the real big one. Alright, so let's see what I got in here. I think this is actually the little yeah, it's the pit, and it's actually the hair straightener. Nice. So this is perfect for traveling, guys, or like if you just want to touch up, take it to work, and just touch up your hair. This is really cute. All right, and then don't forget, all the Boxycharm items come with a price package of how much everything is that's in here. So yeah, as you can see, the list is very long and you get well worth your money. Like, I love everything I have. I'm gone. Alright guys, let's see what else I got. Alright, I got the sponge gel body wash infused buffer. And it's shaped like a star. It is so cute. And it says multi-use, so I'm assuming it's like a sponge that has already the soap in it. So this is cool. Then I got the Lock. What is this? It's a mascara. Lash pomade. The Glam bag. I think this is what people were talking about, that it's a charger, like a bag charger. So little cord, and then okay, so basically this is the little charger. Sorry guys, I took forever. It's a little charger. This is very cool, and with the little charger, and then you can charge your item that you need to charge. And it's from Crimes of Beauty. This is the little directions of how to use it. Dusk to Dawn palette. And this is what you get inside. And it's actually a blush highlighter palette. It's really cute. And shimmer lip paint from Tarte, full size. And it's called Strike Gold. I'm really bad at opening pieces, as you can see. Ooh, look at the shimmery. It's so pretty. And it's the full size. I wanted this so bad. I've been wanting to try this by Lip Gloss eyeshadow. Wow, these colors are beautiful. This is amazing. Wow, these colors are beautiful. Look at the packaging, very pretty. And oh my god, I've been waiting for these forever. I love Luxy. Luxy is my favorite. Well, one of my favorites. I love a lot of brands. Look at this beautiful packaging, and look at how many brushes come in here. It's free, so that's always awesome. And they're pink. Come on, these are so cute. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 brushes, guys. This is like, Luxy is like top shelf of brushes. Well, one of the top shelf brushes. I love them. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use these. I got the Elements, and it's for anti-aging, which I need because, you can never look too young, I guess. It's for the wrinkles, for lines, and it firms, smooths, and hydrates. And it's from this brand right here, Elemis, and I don't know if I pronounced it right. I mispronounce a lot of words, you know, with my Spanish and English. It's just a big, but oh my god, look at this. It's a huge size. I always smell things. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can't wait to use this, guys. This was like a huge hit. I am definitely upgrading every time. Look at all these things that I got, guys. I loved it. It was awesome. I definitely recommend it.